to a bad warrior 2 and see what are the common things that we need to adjust. Feet, always. So we can adjust feet, verbal cues. Take the legs wider apart. Turn this front foot out to the side. Again, you can use your guiding with the front knee. Bend your front knee towards me and push your knee out towards my hand. So we're always leaning forwards in that front arm. So you can come from behind and say, Catherine, reach through your arms and lean back towards the back hand. And then open through the front hand and focus your drishti. Look forwards over your front hand. Keep that bend into the front knee. Go on pushing that knee out. Reaching through the back hand and gaze over your front arm. Okay, that's your warrior 2. Side angle. Let's go side angle, elbow on the thigh. So I can't adjust Catherine's shoulder for her.
Sound of disappointment.
So we can demo. Catherine, can you push your shoulder away from the ear? She's sinking into that arm. That's it. Bring your elbow down a little bit low. Yes. Keep that bend in the front knee. Good. This top hand is always doing its own thing. So we can guide this arm into our side angle shape, whether it's up here or down here. Bring it into that position where we're nice and straight. And push into the back foot, nice strong back leg. And twist your chest open towards the ceiling. Yes, and go on pushing down out of that bottom shoulder.
It's a happier sound.
Yay! And then from here, we're going to come up and move into triangle. Often you would need to adjust feet and stance again, right? So Catherine is going to come up a little bit higher. If you can see your students can't open their chest or turn their body to the side, coming up higher, whether your hand's on the shin or on a block, is going to make that a lot easier. So come high up, and then we're going to reach this top hand up towards the ceiling. And then you're going to lean your head back towards my hand. So again, she can come back towards me in her triangle. Beautiful. Now hold that and step away. Thank you, Catherine.